Slide the aluminum carriage into the wall cavity and then slide the door into the opening at an angle. Once the door is in position, slide the aluminum carriage back over the door. Slide the WAAY door lift under your door and lightly step on it for support. Use your jamb to help square the door. The door reveal should be flush, or protrude past the aluminum carriage by 1/16 of an inch. Tighten all of the bolts using the provided Allen wrench, do not over-tighten. After tightening, revisit each bolt to make sure they are all secure. When installing the valance, make sure the valance bracket is not caught on pulley system. Once calibrated, your door is ready to operate.